Keezy's Intelligent Proximity Alert System, IPAS, is designed to prevent accidents before they happen in any workplace. Ports, construction sites, factories, warehouses, and anywhere safety risks are. Using advanced ultra-wideband technology, IPAS accurately measures distance in real time, which is essential for keeping people and equipment safe in busy environments. IPAS SE introduces state-of-the-art shaping strategies, enabling the creation of highly customized and environment-aware alert systems. It's super easy to set up the vehicle tag. No need to sign up for anything or mess with calibrations, and no worries about harming your vehicles. Drivers have full control with the cabin-installed indicator, allowing you to define your own danger and caution zones with ease. Pedestrian and vehicle tags communicate seamlessly via ultra-wideband, ensuring every distance is measured precisely and warnings are reliable. IPAS SE offers flexible shaping strategies to create alert zones tailored to your needs. The standard single vehicle tag mode is perfect for your everyday needs. You can create the caution and danger ranges of vehicle to pedestrian and vehicle to vehicle. Need a wider safety net? Our multi-vehicle tag mode has got you covered, ideal for those expansive industrial zones. IPAS SE plays nice with pretty much any vehicle you've got: forklifts, excavators, loaders, tractors, dump trucks, and more. We introduce state-of-the-art shaping strategies, enabling the creation of highly customized and environment-aware alert systems. Extended mode requires one vehicle tag and 2 extended mode tags to measure angles among the tags. It's all about giving you the freedom to tailor those alert zones to fit your space. Now, the shape of the alert zones can be adjusted considering various factors, such as the type and size of industrial vehicles, the width of vehicle passageways, and the direction of vehicle movement. In dynamic shaping mode, this shaping feature is even more customized by syncing it with different driving conditions. You can tailor bigger caution and danger ranges for the vehicle's front when moving forward. And guess what? They flip automatically when you're backing up. This adaptable shaping system sends out alerts only when needed, making things smoother for your team and cutting down on those collision risks. Collision avoidance isn't just about workplace safety. It's about protecting our daily lives, too. Think safe, work safe, home safe with Keezy's IPAS.